Chapter number 5, Average. Question number first. The average of first 9 multiples of 3 is average of first 9 multiple of 3 is equal to 3 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. Multiple of 3 is taking common. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 divided by 9. That is equal to 3 into sum of first 9 natural number is equal to 9 into 9 plus 1 upon 2. N into n plus 1 upon 2. 9 is cancelled and we get 3 into 9 plus 1 is 10 divided by 2. This is cancelled by 5 and we get 5 3s are 15. Answer. Average of first 9 multiple of 3, that is equal to average of first 9 multiple of 3 is equal to 3 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 divided by 9, and 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on to n. Average of first n is equal to n into n plus 1 upon 2. Sn is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on to n. That is sum of first n natural number, that is equal to n into n plus 1 upon 2. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, n is equal to 9. Then sum of first 9 natural number is equal to 9 into 9 plus 1 upon 2. That is equal to 9. That is equal to 9 into 10 upon 2. And 9 into 9 plus 1 10 upon 2. This is divisible by 9 is cancelled and 2 divides 10, that is 5 2s are 10, and we get 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15. So average of first 9 multiples of 3 is equal to 15, that is in option C, 15.0. Option C is correct answer. Question number 2. The average of 13 Question number 2. The average of 13 numbers is 68 and the average of first 7 numbers is 63 and the average of last 7 number is 70. What is the 7th number? Average of 13 numbers is equal to 68. That is 13 into 68. 68 multiplied by 13, 13 8s are 104, 4 10 carry, 13 6 are 78, 78 plus 10, that is equal to 88. Average of 13 numbers is equal to 68 multiplied by 13, that is 884. And average of first 7, average of first 7 numbers is equal to 63, that is equal to 7 into 63, 63 7s are 7 3s are 21, 2 carry, 7 6 are 42 plus 2 44, 4 4 1. And average of last 7 numbers is equal to 70, that is 7 into 70, 490. So average of first 7 numbers and average of last 7 numbers, that is equal to sum of average of first and last 7 numbers is equal to 441 plus 490, that is equal to 441 490, that is 1 9 plus 413, 1 carry, 931. And what is the seventh number? Seventh number is equal to 931 minus 884. 931 minus 884. 11 minus 4 is equal to 7. 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. Seventh number is equal to 47. Answers. Average of 13 numbers is 68. 13 multiplied by 68 is equal to 884. And average of first 7 numbers is equal to 63. So 7 into 63 is equal to 441. Average of last 7 numbers is 70. 7 multiplied by 70, we get 490. And sum of average of first 7 and last 7 numbers, that will be 441 plus 490, that is equal to 931. And what is the 7th number? So 7th number is equal to 931 minus 884. Average of 13 numbers is 884, and average of 7 plus 7, that is 14th number. 14 number is equal to 931. We are subtracting 931 and 884, then we get the 7th number. that is 931 minus 884 is 47. 47, that is option E. E option is correct answer. Thank you so much.